It's the water. Look like water lilies coming out. Hang on, let me see if I can get. Take some pictures, babe. These are so pretty. Got a little fall.
Do you want it sideways or it doesn't matter?
You want a picture in the gazebo? Oops, sorry, guys.
Cool. Yeah, it's gonna be so cool.
1.5.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's itchy,
Is that
Lily.
I
don't think he's thinking about it.
Is it called not standing up? Here you go.
Okay.
Go for it.
Lead the way. Lead the way.
I think it was like 300 or 280.
Ooh, daffodils. So good. Ooh, you smell it?
No.
It smells so sweet. Oh, babe. Oh, these. There's a ton of them.
My daughter's bad was just lifting, you know. I just want to lift my bad.
Literally fields of them. Babe, there's some white one over here. No, I didn't know. Look at these white ones. Get some pictures of those. Get a picture of that white one. I really like how red and orange the white is here. Sticks out. Ooh. Oh, they're miniature flowers. Let's look at the manor before we leave. Cherry blossoms? Ooh. Inspiration garden. I love these leaves.
Pretty, huh?
Yeah.
You just sit and think.
The think garden. I like how they have arrows, which is really nice.
It is big.
You're, yep, don't wear these boots. Don't wear running shoe. Oh, it's dead end. Huh. It's huge.
I didn't know it's like this.
It's a big garden. Definitely
They always build homes on that. And there's cars, there's holes, backyard, everywhere.
Slam gonna fall.
There's another statue. It's like a leopard or something. Maybe a link. Where's the food at?
Pretty.
It's super pretty. You want to go?
You want to see the Japanese?
No, the center is on the left and the Japanese garden is on the right.
No.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
You okay?
There's a little pond.
I want to see the koi.
Let's go away. So down.
And just leaves.
Yeah, does it have water lily? Water over here too.
That looked cleaner.
There.
Look, it's trying to catch some fish. Wow. So pretty. Whole row of them.
It's pretty pretty.
Right? This whole field of them. Well, a row of them. No, it's over there. And then the Japanese garden's over there. So you have to go left and then go all over that. That's, I think the 4 or 5 already. Oh, I like this better.
Yeah.
No gravel.
Sand. Ooh, look at that flower tree.
All right, babe. You want a picture? Oh, didn't go, didn't. Oh, you want to go see the bend tree? It bends. Let's walk around. I like the tree how it
How
goes
does it
up.
bend like that, huh?
Do what it can to survive, babe. Oh yeah, that's actually a really good picture right there.
Mm-hmm. I want to take a picture.
Oh, all right. Cherry blossom time. Getting hungry. They close at 4. All right, let's go. Hopefully this cherry in bloom looks good. I just want some cherries now. Ooh, they have a whole row of them.
Yeah. just in season right now.
Yeah.
Still, there's no leaves yet.
Yeah.
They're all flowers.
Hang on, babe. Oh, I need that to hit the sun. Over here, babe. Oh, it's ending. Time to head back. Oh yeah, this is a shortcut. Dude, look at the red ones.
Exactly. Indian. No, very
Just keep going.
Until your feet gets blistered.
Yeah. Feet bleed. This rocks.
So I think what you should do next time, just pack another pair of shoes, just in case. Ooh, these are all colors. Alright, heading back. How many? 2 hours and a half? I haven't seen that one. Jim late bloomer. I guess it's a late bloomer.
Yeah, that's like early. Just early.
Whoa, look at that one. It's huge.
I think it's good coffee.
No idea this existed, but a lot of my friends recommended this place. So I think if you buy the annual pass, your day pass is also credited 20. This honey. Local honey.